Again, red wave talk is not welcome here because it dissuades people from voting. If, however, you show up and bring 10 people, I want you to keep this goal in your head. Think of it as a goal, none of the red wave nonsense, but just as a goal. We could wind up with 54, 55 seats. And remember, I'm not talking down to anyone, I know you know this, but these are 6-year seats. These will outlast even the Trump presidency. Presidency is only 4 years. I know liberals are confused by this, but those Senate seats are for 6 years. We could wind up with 54 seats. I tell you this not to get into this, this is going to happen stuff, because the likelihood of what I just told you is not great. I'm just telling you it's there as a goal. If you get out and bring 10 people to the ballot, to the polls, and we have turnout, similar to what we had in 2020, without all the mail-in ballot junk, some of that in some states has been cleaned up some. We could do very well. Getting back to what I was discussing before. Breitbart, Donald Trump says $454 million bond case could force a real estate fire sale. Folks, this isn't even Banana Republic stuff. You realize Kim Jong-un right now, he's sitting there in his office with a memo pad, taking notes. He's like, Letitia James in New York, $454 million. I don't even think Kim Jong-un has managed to steal $454 million from people. Said to you in the last segment, I'm not that liquid, but I'm liquid enough where I think I can provide some help, and I mean it. Anyone from the Trump team's listening, whatever I can do, just let me know, and I'll do it. But I can't do it alone. I don't have $454 million, folks. I'm not even close. That's my entire net portfolio isn't worth that much. But this here is third world stuff. I want you to listen to this. Cue up for me, cut 2. It's about 30 seconds. Folks, this is the kind of stuff that if we don't turn these tools around on them, you're going to hear Letitia James here. She actually campaigned on weaponized police state targeting her political opponents, and the left loves her for it. Nothing is going to change until in the next term we turn these rules around on them. If you think playing cutesy time, using logic and reason is going to work on a bunch of communists, you are crazy. These people want nothing more than your suffering. Do you understand? That is all they want. The only way to impart upon them any sense of structure again for the country is to show them what their own rules look like by turning them on them. Here's Letitia James telling us
probably
what she was going to do, and when they talk,
right.
No.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, yeah, not, oh, yeah.
Alright, babe.
Yeah.
I'm going to go in my room and just sit with the cat.
Oh, yeah.
Walk the dog out.
Oh,
Drink
yeah.
some beer or something and enjoy yourself.
Oh.
Get my heart and steak out of the driver's side of it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
I'll see you later.
Oh, yeah, no. Oh.
Alright, babe.
Oh, yeah. Oh. I don't care. He thinks we're still in a relationship. Huh. He doesn't know we're not. He doesn't know we're not in a relationship, but he thinks we still are. Because he won't fucking let me
procedures, due process.
be single.
She doesn't care. She's a communist.
So fake.
And she should be called as such. I always wonder why some people on the right side of the radio podcasting spectrum always dance around